Customs seizes 103 crore rupee material of Paradeep Phosphate. Is the company in trouble? Customs authorities have seized 25,000 mt of technical grade urea imported by Paradeep Phosphate, with an assessable value of 103 crore rupees. According to the Central Revenues Control Laboratory, the burette content in the material was higher than the permissible limit. Paradeep Phosphate has contested the methodology used by CRCL and is actively pushing for a retest under the Indian Standard IS 1781/2022 to ensure that the seized urea can be released for production at its Goa plant. While this sounds serious, the company has clarified that there is currently no material impact on its finances or ongoing operations. The urea in question is intended for captive consumption, meaning it will be used directly in the manufacture of NPK fertilizer. Production at Paradeep's Goa facility continues as normal, and the company is taking all necessary legal and procedural steps to resolve the issue quickly. For investors, this incident might raise questions about regulatory risk and potential production disruptions. It's true that regulatory scrutiny in the fertilizer sector is increasing, especially for imported raw materials. But Paradeep Phosphate is one of India's largest NPK fertilizer producers, with a strong balance sheet and robust operational capabilities. This gives the company flexibility to handle temporary setbacks without significantly affecting its overall business. Let's break down what this means for the company and the market. First, the seized material value of 103 crore rupee is a relatively small portion of the company's total operations. Paradeep produces millions of tons of fertilizer annually, so this incident, while noteworthy, does not threaten the company's long-term production or revenue growth. Second, the company's proactive response contesting the testing methodology and requesting a retest demonstrates strong risk management and regulatory awareness. Paradeep is essentially ensuring that the material is verified correctly before use, which minimizes operational risks and protects product quality. Third, it highlights the importance of compliance and quality standards in the fertilizer industry. Raw material quality directly affects production efficiency and final product standards. By insisting on proper testing procedures, Paradeep is safeguarding its production processes and maintaining investor confidence. Now, From a financial perspective, investors may wonder if this could trigger any fines or penalties. Currently, the company states there is no material financial impact. Even if there were any costs associated with delays or legal proceedings, they are expected to be manageable given the company's strong liquidity position and overall scale of operations. Another key factor is market perception. Headlines like "Custom seizes 103 crore rupee material" naturally grab attention, but the reality is more nuanced. Paradeep Phosphate continues to operate normally, and the incident is part of ongoing regulatory checks, not a sign of operational weakness. The fundamentals of the company production capacity, market share, and profitability remain intact. Looking forward, the focus is on quick resolution and getting the seized urea released for production. Once resolved, Paradeep can continue its NPK fertilizer operations without disruption, ensuring steady supply to the domestic market. Investors should also keep in mind that incidents like this, while temporary, can create short-term market volatility. Stock prices may react to headlines even if the underlying fundamentals are strong. That's why it's important to differentiate between news-driven market reactions and the company's actual operational and financial health. In summary, while the customs seizure of 103 crore rupee worth of urea is a significant news event, it does not threaten Paradeep Phosphate's long-term growth or production capabilities. The company's strong balance sheet, proactive risk management, and large-scale operations mean it is well positioned to navigate such regulatory challenges. For investors, the key takeaway is that Paradeep Phosphate remains a fundamentally strong player in the NPK fertilizer sector, and this is likely a short-term hurdle rather than a long-term risk. We will continue to follow this story closely and provide updates on the retesting outcome and any further developments. For now, the message is clear: operations continue, financial impact is minimal, and the company remains on track with its production goals. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.